The Hyundai Palisade key fob from 2020 onward uses a CR2032 battery. First, locate the small slot on the back of the key fob. Use a flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry the case open. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with correct polarity. Snap the case back together and test the fob by locking or unlocking your vehicle. These batteries can be purchased for $1 to $3 online or at local retailers. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, it may need resyncing with the vehicle's immobilizer system. For 2023 and newer models equipped with digital key technology, use the My Hyundai app for remote reprogramming, which takes just 5 to 10 minutes via Bluetooth. Digital key is standard on newer Hyundai Palisade models. It enables smartphone-based unlocking through Bluetooth or NFC technology, eliminating the need for physical key fob batteries and offering enhanced convenience. If the key fob remains non-functional after these steps, take it to your Hyundai dealership for professional inspection and repair.